Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk about my project. So my project is PCAP Fact. It is a PCAP file extractor. So what it does is to extract files from the files transmitted on the uh, application layer protocol in the PCAP files. So for example, the HTTP file, some files may be transmitted on HTTP, and these packets are captured by the like Wireshark or TCP/dump. So when we try to analyze this PCAP file, we can use this tool to extract all the files in this PCAP file. So normally they will include some HTML file, some JavaScript, and some image files. So this project is based on a previous project, and I made a lot of modifications and add a lot of functionalities. Let's look at these tools. So the core file of the PCAP Fax is the dispatcher Python script. So we can see first when to run. First, it will try to rebuild the streams. I write the stream builder. This tool can build the TCP and the UDP streams based on the packets in the PCAP files. I try to make it bidirectional streams because I need to get the file names through the request file, so we cannot only analyze the response packet. That's why I made it bidirectional. So after that, it will call the find file function for each streams and dig into the stream and try to extract all the files. So here it will So here I made some specific cases for HTTP protocol, and for other protocol it will treat it like some just plain data and try to recognize the file flag, so to determine whether it is a file or not. So let's try to run this tool. Let's look at the help usage. So I got example .pcap file here. We'll try to render this tool on this file. So here we use the default output directory. So we run this. So at the end of the process, it may be a kind of slow because it will try to fetch the geological information from the website, so it may require some extra time. So here we can find that many files are extracted from the stream. Okay, so let's look at the output file. So first we will look at the file car directory. Oh. So for each connection, it create a sub folder. I choose one of them. So which contains more files. 10.0.0.6. And 2.9. Yeah. So then it's different on the ports. We'll randomize to choose one randomizely. And we can see the image folder. And we can find the different type of the image. So that's all the GIF image in this connection from 10.0.0.6 to 212.199 and 202.9 on the port 44152. We can check other file type, and yeah, here we have more files. Let's see the detailed things of the files. Okay, let's go back to the let's look at other output files, which give some statistics of the packets in the pcap file. Let's see, email.txt. Oh, there's no email in this example.pcap. So first we will look at maybe domain.txt. So we can see the 166 pairs of request and response to the image1.ynet.code.il in this pcap file. So it's kind of pretty straightforward. During digital forensics process, we can use this histogram to ensure which file, which website did the target visit most, and the same for the ip.txt. The IP that have the most occurrence time here is the IP of the host. And after that is this IP address. So that's the information we can easily get through these tools by running on a pcap file. And the same for Joe.kml. So for each IP address, this tool can get the geographic location of the IP address. So if we apply this KML file on the Google Earth, then we can visualization where the packets are going. Now we try to run another packet. So this time we will name her output directory test output test. Okay, let's run the Python script. Okay, 34 files are found. Then still look at the output directory. This time let's see the email.txt. Yeah, here we find one email in this pcap file. And the same for other output files. So that's basically how the PCAP Factual works. So for further work, I may add the functionality that it can generate the output uh, using a database file or using the XML file. And I may also add some functionalities that can give statistics of the header, the credentials, the sessions, and the keyword search. Okay, cool. So that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.